Name any 3 plays written by Shakespeare. Have you heard of Shakespeare? Okay, Kishore, let's. Who's your favorite writer? Arijit Singh. Hey you beautiful people, welcome back to a new video on our channel Read Travel Become. Today right now here I am in Mumbai at the Nariman Point and we are going to do something very interesting. What we are going to do is we are going to give out books to random strangers. But there's one simple catch. They have to answer one simple question. If they answer my bookish question, they get a book. So let's see what their reaction is. I'm gonna ask random people. It's all random. I'm just here with my camera. So let's see how it goes. Make sure you watch the video till the end. You may never know which thought or fact may resonate with you and change the course of your life. So let's get started. So the books which I have bought, the books which I am giving away are all random. Some are fiction, some are non-fiction. Some of them are even incoherent with the questions that I'm going to ask. I just thought these books would be great gifts to people. So that's why I have chosen these books. We have this gentleman over here who's ready to answer simple questions. So have you read any of Dan Brown's books?
Yes.
Okay, name any 5 Dan Brown books.
Five. Angels and Demons.
Perfect.
Da Vinci Code.
Perfect. I can make it 3. I mean, 3 is also fine.
Yeah, we had a more recent one, but I forgot the name.
Makes sense, yeah. Okay, we'll give it to him. We have a gift for him. So, write the book which he was talking about. We are giving out Inferno to him. And sir, there you go. Thank you so much for doing this, sir. We are promoting the reading culture in whatever way we can. So, we have this young talented boy over here. So we are going to ask him a simple question. If he answers it, name any 2 science fiction novels. Any 2.
A little longer than a few minutes later. One eternity later.
Okay, it might be. It's not like I know all the books, so it might be. And one more, you can name one more. No issues there. Okay, makes sense, yes. And do you like Star Wars?
Yeah, I like Star Wars.
I have a gift for you. Just so giving out his favorite Star Wars. Here you go. This is my favorite film, The Force Awakens from the entire series. So this is for you. Thank you for being a sport. And we really like that you guys are readers. So thank you so much for doing it. Bye bye. Have fun. So I asked some of these people, are you readers? And then I approached them whether I should ask them a question. Most of them are telling me, no, we are not readers and we are not interested in books. I was like, why are you not a reader? You're getting free books, man. So yeah, we are continuing with the heart. So we have one more contestant who's ready to answer a simple question. Let's see if she can answer it. So the question would be, name any 3 movies, they can be Bollywood or Hollywood, which are based on books. Simple question.
You said this is supposed to be simple, right?
Yeah, I mean, you can answer it, I'm sure. Who is your favorite author? Sidney Sheldon. So you like thrillers?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to give her some thriller books because even I love thriller books, as you all know. I have talked about thriller books in many of my videos. So she's getting a set of thriller books. Okay. So she gets this Agatha Christie set of books which are Murder of Roger Ackroyd and then Never and Murder on the Orient Express. 3 of my favorites. She gets it. Just for being a sport, I like to thank her. And I hope she starts reading more. Thank you so much for doing. So one quick update. You might have noticed that people are not actually answering the questions, but I'm still giving them books because I want to promote the reading culture. And I'm not actually finding people who are genuine readers. I know. Where are you guys? कहाँ छुप के बैठे हो यार? मेरे को लगा शाम को तुम आओगे Marine Drive पे. And okay, even if someone is talking about books, I'm giving them books because I just like giving out books. This will always remind them of books. This would be a happy memory in their lives. So that is why it's not important for them to answer the question. I'll just give it anyway. So ma'am, my question is, have you read Robin Sharma's book?
No.
No? Okay, but can you name any 2 of his books? Any 2 of his books? Robin Sharma, any book? No? Okay, we'll change the question. We'll just go with a random question like, which is your favorite non-fiction book?
I read Gujarati books.
You read Gujarati books, Radha. Okay. Can you tell us some good writers of Gujarati? I have no.
Girish Ganatra.
Sorry?
Girish Ganatra.
Girish Ganatra. Okay. He writes fiction, non-fiction. कैसे?
Good. Stories are good.
Okay, he writes stories. Okay. I think we should all explore short stories in vernacular languages as well. I have never read books other than English language, but surely I think our viewers can
And
pick
we
up.
used to read Nancy Drew, Case
Okay.
Files.
Okay,
Nancy
nice.
Drew Case Files I used to
Nice,
read.
nice. But still, because ma'am gave us such great insights, we are going to give ma'am a book, a non-fiction book, which I really like. I started with that book when I started with non-fiction. So let me show you which book. So we are giving away The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. This is one of my favorite books when it comes to non-fiction. And here you go, ma'am.
Surely I'll read.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you for being such a sport, and thank you for that information. Thank you. She didn't answer anything special, but she had that drive. She wanted to read, and she was being a sport. And see, this is what the thing is. Many people actually want to read, they want to explore, but there are, I don't know what are the reasons that they are not picking up books. Do you read classics by any chance?
Yeah, like I'm a Potterhead.
Oh, you're a Potterhead. That's great. We don't have Harry Potter books, but no ways. I'll just ask you, name any 5 classic books. That's all. I don't want to make it difficult. Any 5 classic books.
Is Pride and Prejudice?
Yes, definitely one.
Then Harry Potter.
Yeah, you can count it as a classic.
5 or 6? Hamlet by
Yeah,
Shakespeare.
definitely.
Romeo and Juliet.
Yes.
Then one more, right?
Still 4 is good. Okay, so here you go. These are my 3 favorite classics. One is The Black Beauty, The Merchant of Venice, William Shakespeare, and name any 3 movies which are adapted by books, like they are based on books. It can be a Bollywood movie, it can be a Hollywood movie.
Hollywood movie.
Anything. 3 Hollywood, yeah, anything is fine.
Anything.
Huh.
3 Hollywood movie.
3 Hollywood movies which are based on books. 3. Which ones?
1 week later.
Name any 3 plays written by Shakespeare. Have you heard of Shakespeare? Okay, Kishoru, who's your favorite writer? Arijit Singh. So the question is, whose diary is named The Diary of a Young Girl?
I guess it's Anne Frank.
Sorry?
I guess it's Anne Frank.
That's perfect. That's the right answer. You know, you are one of the first few who have got the right answer. Are you a reader by any chance?
Yeah, I read since the 3rd grade.
Okay. Which is your favorite book?
I actually like a series of Harry Potter and Alex Rider.
Harry Potter. Which house are you in?
I'm a Hufflepuff.
Hufflepuff.
Actually, people find Hufflepuff funny, but I like it.
Okay. I'm a Gryffindor, by the way. And I have a small gift for you because you answered that question. This is your gift. I'm giving you The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. So here you go.
Thank you.
And I really like that you are reading since a very young age. And I hope this serves as an inspiration to all those people who are watching right now. And do your friends read also? Like, do you have a reading circle or something?
No, actually, most of my friends don't read.
Okay.
That's like, this is one of my friends that reads, others don't really read.
Okay. So thank you so much for watching the video. We are done with everything. I've distributed all the books which I had. I am happy that I was able to give out books to some interested folks. And I didn't find many people who actually are hardcore readers. I hope I'll do this again. If you like this video, do tell me in the comments down below whether I should do this again. And if I have a good response, let's do this again. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you enjoyed whatever we did today. And thank you so much for the support. I really hope you like this video. You like this experiment of ours. We had a great time shooting this. We met some interesting people. And yeah, that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.